So right now we're going to be making some homemade butter. You heard me right, some homemade butter. And you only need 4 things. 3 one way, 4 one way. So all you need is heavy cream, a jam or jelly jar, a lot of shaking action, and if you like a little bit of salted butter, you can put a little bit of salt in it. So what you're gonna do is you're only gonna fill this up about halfway. Whoop. Make sure that the lid is on super tight. There's my test. And then shake it. What you can do is, if you like salted butter, halfway through your shaking, open the lid, make sure it's the right way around, and put in a little bit of salt. And then just keep shaking. When you come to camp, you will see how much I like butter. I put it on my sandwiches, I put it on my pasta.